Seven Unu, Mambiza Wizzy baby, Fimba Nanti Zulu, cause I make it rain, Shengen Kosa Zulu, Began Jema, you watch as a fungus like Miss Bunu.
This whole project has been bringing out a lot of like splinter activities, and one of the ones that I'm really excited about is we created this magazine, like an online magazine called the African Comedy Circuit. Now what this does is, because I'm performing in 4 different African countries, it sort of allows me to start stitching together the different comedy clubs and comedy shows and comics all over Africa into a publication that people can actually use to make their decisions on which comics they want to hire for their next event. I find, like, because I travel quite a lot, I find that a lot of the comics in the countries that I'm in don't really know much about the comics in the other countries and don't really know about the kind of collaborations that they could do with the comedians. And this is one opportunity that will allow me to be able to grow you know, the African comedy circuit in a way that will be able to market all the great work that's happening in Africa and tell people what's going on in the comedy circuit, because comedy is being one of those tools that can be used to enrich communities, to build people, to motivate people, to give instruction, advice to even governments in terms of our leaders. Being able to take a joke is a show of strength that a lot of African politicians don't seem to have at this particular point. And comedy is one of those vehicles that can be used to create a certain level of tolerance amongst religions, amongst politicians, political ideologies, amongst people, amongst tribes. You see a lot of these kind of fights happening, and comedy is one of those things that can sort of break it.